The other one, yesterday I did. Good. Sit down. When the punch is coming, you go out like that, and this action of going out is the blocking action, knee. That's the blocking action, okay?
Good.
When you attack to shoot down here, don't attack to the belly. I know a lot of you have a habit of attacking here. You say stomach and you think your belly is stomach. Because you finish eating, you say belly full, stomach full, right? So here, this is the target, shoot down. Must be 1, 2. Don't punch and then stay there. Make 2 punches at the same time. First block, this, modify, then come here. Okay, those are important points. All right, there you go.